Okay, so now we're going to solve another double trig problem. This time it's just going to be slightly different. So we have a height of 250 meters here for this AC. We know this acute angle at angle D, and we know the acute angle at angle B. We're looking for this length right here, BD. Okay, so again, what we're going to do is we're going to start with this right triangle here. Okay, so we're setting up the right triangle trig. Same process here, SOHCAHTOA. We labeled all the sides, opposite, adjacent, and there's all your mechanics. Okay, all those continue to be the same. Now, the slight difference on this one from the previous one is that what we have is the variable that we're missing, the side we're missing, the adjacent side is in the denominator. That's going to end up making us divide rather than multiply like we have in the other ones. So it should be about 50-50. Half of them we should multiply, half of them we should divide. So this process will be just a little different because the denominator, variables in the denominator. Okay, so right there. So that was for the smaller triangle. Now it's switching over to the longer triangle. Okay, so we still got the 250. Now it's the 27-degree acute angle. And we're going to call that other side that we're missing. We're going to call this side W. And that's what we're going to be solving for. Okay, back to our mechanics again. And this is really essential that we show our mechanics. Your teacher might have a slight difference in how they do it, but make sure that you communicate your ideas however your teacher decides to show it. Here's my mechanics. This is what I show my students. Okay. The reason is I believe, to make sure students understand tangent is the ratio of two sides. Basically what happened is we studied a right triangle with a 27-degree angle here. And we know that the side opposite to the side adjacent is in the ratio of 0.5095 to 1. Okay, so that's the one that we've studied. So now we compare it to this similar triangle, okay, where we have a 250 in the opposite position, and then that allows us to solve for the adjacent side. So there's the mechanics. Again, let's make sure we don't shortcut those. Not everybody switches tan 27 to a decimal. I just do. So it means something to students. So now we're going to subtract W minus P and get X. There's another sample double trig problem. And that's it.